612 west coast of Canada, Bregan. About a DX land, 612 west coast of Canada.
How about the west coast of Canada, 845 Hudson Valley, New York, we're waving.
845, Big Apple, smoking in here to the west coast of Canada, 612 out here on the Gulf Islands, far southwest coast of Canada, waving. Just about 60 degrees, 60, close to 60 degrees, and scattered clouds and sunshine. A little bit of a breeze off the ocean.
Very nice, very nice. We're a little overcast here in the northeast, about 50 degrees. I'm about 60 miles north of New York City. Roger.
Well, I tell you what, buddy, you're sounding like a local out here on the southern Gulf Islands of Canada. Our islands are about 100 miles north of Seattle as the crow flies out here in the Pacific Ocean, Roger.
Yeah, roger that. Mother Nature's moving me around, moving us around a little bit, but good contact, good talking to you. Wish you 73. It's a good day and a better tomorrow. 845 back on the side.
Have a good one, buddy. 73s and happy skip shooting. We'll listen for you again. 612, reading the mail, and you're definitely on the video gate. You made my video gate, and I'm going to I'll upload this video later.
Roger that. Thank you very much.
Cheers to you.